Welcome to Nasir Soft. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can basically create a super user in Django by default application, and we will explore the Django admin panel that comes with the Django default application when we install the Django. Okay, so after successfully install and launch the Django, this time basically page will be showing to you, and inside this basically URL /admin, if I go to this, here you can see that this basically username and password dialog is showing. Okay, so basically I connect the PostgreSQL with the Django application in the previous video. So basically here I replace the database with that one. Okay, and inside the Postgre, if I go to the here inside the by default database that comes with the Postgres name, and here when we run the migration on the previous video, here this type of tables are showing. Okay, and inside this auth user, if I go here and view this, here you can see that no user is yet created. Okay, the empty table is now. So in this video, I will show it to you how you can create the super user, and we will explore the Django admin panel. Okay, inside the terminal, if you open the terminal, here write Python manage.py and create super user without space. Press enter. After that, okay, it shows me no module name Django. It's basically first we will launch the virtual environment of Python. Okay, so through this command, that is pip env, if virtual basically environment is not yet you started, so first start it through the pip env and shell command. After that, now virtual environment is started. If I clear the screen for okay, and here if I write again this command, that is python manage.py and create super user, here you can see that now it shows me what is the username. Okay, so the username is set to anyone, any user you want, the name of the user. Okay, in my sense, in my case I name it admin, and email address is something meaningful, for example admin@gmail.com. you can set anything according to your preference. Set a password. Okay, so and again write this password. The password is too short. Okay, so it should be 8 characters. So it shows me bypass password validation and create user anyway. Okay, so no, set it no. So basically we will set a password of 8 character. So I set it 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, and again 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, and here you can see that the password is too common, it shows me. Okay, by the way, I place the y. Okay, so let it continue. Okay, after that if I again go to the browser and here refresh, and after refreshing on the username, if I write admin, inside the password which I set, after click on the login, here you can see this window is basically showing that is the Python admin panel. Okay, if I go to the database, that is pg admin, and inside this auth user, if I again go to view and edit data, this is PostgreSQL. Here you can see that the one row is added, that basically the password is in hash, and the user which we create yet, the name is admin, the email we set it admin@gmail.com, and so on. Okay, so inside this table the user credential will be, and here if I go click on the users inside the Django admin, here you can see that only one user yet we created, and it shows us in a beautiful table view. And the other thing is, the by default Django admin comes with two features. The first is users table, and the second is groups. And inside the group, not group, basically not yet we create a group, add a group, we can also add a group. Okay, so this Django by default admin panel comes with the two features. The first one is user and second one is group. And here you can also search this, start typing to filter. Here we can, this is a search filter. On the right side we can also add a user through this admin panel. Here you can see that here you can write the username. If you not want to create a username through command line interface, so you can add another user here. So I hope this video will help you a lot. If you have any question, you on the video comment section you can ask your question, or a question link is mentioned in video description. Just go to that specific link, I will reply to your questions. Don't forget to subscribe my channel for more informative videos. Stay blessed. Have a nice day.